Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to be talking about something that affects every single one of us, oral health. Having good oral hygiene is not only important for keeping your teeth and gums healthy, but it also plays a crucial role in your overall well-being. So in this video, we're going to be sharing with you the 5 keys to achieving perfect oral health. Let's get started. Section 1. Brushing your teeth. The first key to perfect oral health is brushing your teeth. It's important to brush at least twice a day for 2 minutes each time. Use a toothbrush with soft bristles and a fluoride toothpaste. Make sure to brush all the surfaces of your teeth, including the backs and the insides. And don't forget to brush your tongue to remove any bacteria that may cause bad breath. Section 2. Flossing your teeth. The second key to perfect oral health is flossing your teeth. Flossing helps to remove food particles and plaque from between your teeth, where your toothbrush can't reach. Use about 18 inches of floss and wrap it around your fingers. Gently slide the floss between your teeth and make sure to curve it around the base of each tooth. Section 3. Eating a healthy diet. The third key to perfect oral health is eating a healthy diet. Foods that are high in sugar and starch can contribute to tooth decay. Instead, try to eat a balanced diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Drinking plenty of water can also help to wash away food particles and bacteria from your mouth. Section 4. Visiting your dentist. The fourth key to perfect oral health is visiting your dentist regularly. Make sure to schedule a dental checkup at least twice a year. During your visit, your dentist will examine your teeth and gums and check for any signs of cavities, gum disease, or other oral health problems. Regular cleanings can also help to remove any built-up plaque or tartar. Section 5. Avoiding bad habits. The fifth key to perfect oral health is avoiding bad habits. Smoking and using tobacco products can increase your risk of gum disease and oral cancer. Chewing on ice, hard candy, or other hard objects can also damage your teeth. And grinding your teeth can cause jaw pain, headaches, and even tooth fractures. And that's it for today's video, everyone. We hope you found these 5 keys to achieving perfect oral health helpful. Remember, taking care of your teeth and gums is an essential part of maintaining good overall health. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and advice on living a healthy and happy life. Thanks for watching.